Taobao did it again, boys. I was scrolling for something important, and to this day, I don't even know what the fuck that is because this is what I got. There's a challenge coming up. Christine has to do it with me. I think if she doesn't want to, I might threaten her with a breakup because. No, I won't do that. Anyway, so this is going to be one. I already received this product. And then only after receiving it, Googled what the Scoville's unit is. If I'm saying that correctly, whatever, the level of spiciness. It's 1 million, dude. I couldn't get through the ×3 bulldog noodles. And that's like fucking 9,000 or 13,000. Sorry, I Googled it the other day. 13,000. This is 1 milli, boys. I also even accidentally bought this. Lovely! I have no idea what the spice Scoville unit blah blah is for this bad boy. But I think let's keep it as a surprise. We try that shit and then Google after. And you must understand, we need dessert. So I got us this. Huh? Lovely. So we got a starter, main meal, and dessert. That's gonna be beautiful. Baby cakes, if you're watching this, prepare your anus.